Understanding population pyramids, long-term trends explained. Have you ever looked at a population pyramid and wondered what it really means? These visual tools are more than just shapes. They tell us a lot about a population's age distribution and growth trends. Let's break it down together. A population pyramid is a graph that shows the number of people in different age groups, separated by sex. The base of the pyramid represents the youngest age groups, typically from 0 to 14 years old. The middle section shows the working age population, usually from 15 to 64 years old. The top part represents the elderly, those 65 and older. The width of each bar in the pyramid reveals how many people are in that age group. If the base is wide and the top is narrow, it indicates high birth rates and high mortality, typical of a growing population. Conversely, a rectangular shape suggests low birth and death rates, indicating a stable or slowly growing population. An inverted pyramid signals a declining population with low birth rates and an aging demographic. Now let's look at the long-term trends in the United States. In the early 20th century, population pyramids had a broad base, reflecting high fertility rates and a growing population. Over the decades, fertility rates have declined, and life expectancy has increased. By 2020, the pyramid had evolved into a more rectangular shape, showing a balance between young and older age groups. As of 2025, the United States population pyramid is increasingly rectangular. The young population, those aged 0 to 14 years, makes up about 17% of the total. The working age adults from 15 to 64 years constitute roughly 64.5%. The elderly population, those 65 and older, accounts for approximately 18.4%, indicating an aging population. Looking ahead, by 2050, the elderly population is expected to rise to about 23%. The working age population may drop below 60% by 2066. Population growth is projected to slow, with growth rates declining from 0.54% in 2025 to about 0.23% in 2050. This shift in the pyramid reflects low fertility rates, which may be near or below replacement level, along with high life expectancy. The total United States population is expected to peak around 2100 at over 421 million. Understanding these trends is important for various reasons. An aging population means there will be a greater demand for health care and retirement services. A shrinking working age population could lead to labor shortages, affecting economic growth and social security systems. With fewer young people, resources may shift from expanding schools to improving quality and access. Population shifts toward the South and West will requiring adjustments in infrastructure and housing. Changes in dependency ratios will influence funding and the design of welfare programs. Population pyramids for the United States illustrate a transition from a youthful, growing population to an older, more stable one with slower growth. This shift reflects long-term declines in fertility and increases in life expectancy. The evolving shape of the pyramid signals important demographic changes that will affect economic, social, and policy considerations in the United States in the coming decades.